Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Rohithtech. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a crazy website which will actually help you to find your crush's Insta ID or Facebook ID or any other social media platforms ID. So the website name is facecheck.id. So the website name here itself says that you can actually check their ID by their face. So you need to click on the upload photo after opening the website. So you need to upload any photo here, and after uploading you need to wait for a few minutes. Then you need to click on the search internet by faces. After clicking on that, you can see this type of interface here. It will actually take a couple of minutes to actually search, and you need to agree the terms and conditions, and you need to have a small captcha. You need to clear it, and after that your searching will be started. So till that searching started, you can actually read down the terms and conditions which is given down. So after that, after completing, you can see this type of interface here. So it already started checking. After completing of 80%, you can see this is happening here. So it will actually show you the Insta ID, Facebook ID, Twitter, TikTok, each and everything. So then that's it. You can see many things here like YouTube channel or Facebook ID or Insta ID. You can scroll up and scroll up and scroll up, and you can click on their faces to actually redirect the page to Insta ID or Facebook ID or YouTube. So this is how you can search your Insta ID or any other social media platforms ID by their faces. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.